Very good morning class, myself Pallavi Anand and today we are in another session of science for class 4. In this session we will discuss about the solid, liquid and gas. So as you know that solid, liquid and gas are the three states of matter. So first of all we have to discuss what is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Anything you see regarding behind yourself, nearby yourself, these all are matters. The matters is anything that have space and occupy mass. Those who are having mass, they are the matters. Tree, bench, desk, book, pencil, pen, board, human beings, all the things you can say is matter. So second one is volume. The space occupied by an object is called volume. The matter is kept and the space is occupied by the matter is termed as volume. Third one is molecules. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Molecules, matter is made up of very tiny particles and they are known as molecules. Okay, when you break down the matters, the thing you get, the byproduct is known as molecules. Suppose you understand these things. What is matter? Matter is something that occupies space and have mass. Suppose I am keeping this stick. This stick is taking the mass, have some weight, and when we used to keep it, it used to take some space. That is why this stick is a matter. Okay. See this board. This board is having some weight. It has some mass and it is kept on the stand and it occupies this much area. Now, can we go and stand on this blackboard? No, we cannot go and stand because it has its own space. It occupies the space and that very space and that very mass is known as matter. Second one is volume. What is volume? The space occupied by an object is called volume. The area in which the matter is being placed can be termed as volume. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Matter is made up of tiny particles and then these tiny particles combine together, join together to form a matter. Okay. Now there are three states of matter. Three states of matter, they are first number solid, liquid and gas. Three states of matters are solid, liquid and gas. You can see here, this is a solid. These are the molecules of solid. What is this? This is a molecules of solid. Molecules of solid. Molecules of liquid and molecules of gas. Okay, now see, molecules of solid are packed together very tightly. You can see there is no space between the balls present here. Okay, molecules present here. You are seeing here the round balls, round molecules. There are not at all a tiny space left between the molecules. That is the reason why solid have the more mass, solid have the more space. Okay. So molecules of the solid is tightly packed. Molecules of the solid is tightly packed. You can see here some pictures of solid. You can see the box, bricks, flower, trees, chair, desks, benches. You see all around here are fans, wall, bricks. These all are termed as solid. And the molecules of solid materials are closely packed. They have no space between the molecules. Between the two molecules there are no space. That's why the molecules of solid are very tightly packed. They are packed side by side. That's why there is no space and that's why it is known as closely packed. Okay. Next is liquid. The molecules, you can see some space here. You can see here some space between these molecules. Is it? These space are there. That it has some air molecules also here. These are the molecules of the object. These are the molecules of the liquid. And some lower level. Liquid can flow. So you can see some pictures here. Glass of water, glass of juice, Coke, you are having the cold drinks, they are in a form of liquid, isn't? When you pour the liquid, what will happen? The liquid will flow from higher place to the downside, isn't? It means the molecules are lightly packed, loosely packed, and the other factors for the liquid is the liquid flow from higher level to the lower level. If you pour some liquid here, what will happen? It is a flow. The liquid will flow from here to here. Okay. So liquid flow from one place to the other, from the higher level to the lower level. Now, third state of matter is gas. Gas, the molecules of gas are very loosely packed. Molecules of matters are liquid matter. The molecules of liquid matter is gaseous matter is very loosely packed. You can see how much difference between the two molecules are. They are at a great difference, isn't it? The two molecules of the gases are at the use difference. There are so many differences between the two molecules of gases. That's why gases are very light in weight, and if you will keep the gases, you cannot see the gas, or gases is odorless, smellless. You cannot see the gas, you cannot smell the gas, you cannot touch the gas. It can only be filled. Okay, it only can be filled. But gases also have mass and it also occupies space. Now you can see this is a room. In a room, can you say there is no air? Because we cannot see the air, we cannot see the color of the air, we cannot touch the air. Am I doing like this? Am I touching the air? Tell me. Yes, we can touch the air. We cannot touch the air, but only we can feel it. If there is a fan is running, we can feel the air. Okay, when you will turn on the cooler, what will happen? You can feel the air. Your body can feel the air. We cannot see, we cannot touch the air. Okay. Now, air occupies space. Air occupies space. Air also takes its place. If you will fill air in a balloon, you can see air? No. But you have seen that a balloon man was pumping air in a balloon and the balloon become bigger. How it is? Because air enters and air occupies its space. Okay. You can have a cycle. All of you have a bicycle. Okay. So, if the air is coming out from your tire, what you used to do? You used to go to the shop and ask him to give some air. Okay. So when he pump the air in your cycle tire, the tire become thicker. Isn't the flat tire become thicker? It means air goes inside and take the space, and slowly and slightly the tire become thicker. It means the air slowly occupy their space. In a gas cylinder, LPG cylinder you are having at your home, you can see there when it is filled, when it is coming from the market, if you will lift it, it is very heavy. It is very heavy. But as your mother is going on cooking at your home, after the empty cylinder, when you will lift the empty cylinder, it is quite lighter. How you come to know? Because the gas present in it is being consumed by the family for the preparing the food, and the cylinder is empty. Now you can lift it very easily because it is empty. So cylinder or gas have space, they have mass, they occupy space, but the molecules of gases are very loosely packed. Molecules of the gases are very loosely packed. You can see the air, you cannot see, you can feel the air. You can just take an example of a football as well. When you are taking a flat football, it is completely flat, but when you just pour some air in it, what will happen? The size of the football changes and it becomes round and it became round and you can use that for playing. Okay, so the footballs, by changing of the football's shape and size due to the air, can be understood that air has a space and it occupies mass. Okay, so air is a mat, air has a occupies space and have mass. So here we have discussed about the state of matter. The three state of matters are solid, liquid, gas. Solid, in solid, molecules of solid are tightly packed. In liquid, the molecules are loosely packed. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. Gas is a matter in which we cannot see the gas, we cannot smell the gas, we cannot see the it, we only feel the gases, we only feel the gas. Okay, we can only feel the gas, we can also smell. So suppose you are in a room and where gas cylinder is on, you can feel the smell of the gas, isn't? You can smell the LPG gases, you can smell it. How we can smell? The sense organ allowed us to smell the presence of gas around us. So we can smell the gas, but we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot hear anything else. So we can only smell and we can feel. So these are the three states of matter. Later we will discuss more.